What is psychology? Having a good grasp of what psychology is essential for anybody wanting to study the topic in greater depth. This may sound like an obvious thing to state, but psychology is a subject which is often misunderstood and referred to without any real consideration as to its actual meaning. A classic case in point being the usual response when you tell people that you teach psychology, namely, "I better be careful what I say," or "So do you know what I'm thinking then?" To help understand the ambiguity surrounding psychology, let's start by taking a look at a couple of definitions. Psychology is the scientific study of people, the mind and behavior. It is both a thriving academic discipline and a vital professional practice. Psychology is the scientific study of the behavior of individuals and their mental processes. Both these definitions tell us that psychology is fundamentally concerned with understanding behavior. So why the confusion? Basically, a lack of unity. Within psychology, there are multiple and often competing levels of explanation when it comes to understanding behavior. When you begin studying psychology, you quickly realize what a diverse subject it is, and at times it can feel overwhelming. So, keep it simple, particularly when you're starting out. Just keep hold of the notion that psychology is basically about behavior. As you are introduced to more perspectives, you'll find that you'll soon be able to place a behavioral explanation within an appropriate psychological framework. It is common knowledge that public understanding of psychology is typically aligned with the mental health and intervention aspects of the discipline. Most people think of psychologists as clinicians and counselors. Everyone should recognize psychology as a STEM, science, technology, engineering, mathematics discipline. A common misconception about psychology is that it is synonymous with psychiatry. It is not. Psychiatry is a distinct medical specialism. All psychiatrists have a medical degree that is fundamentally concerned with mental disorder. Psychology has a much broader focus and is not inextricably linked to the concept of mental illness. Looking for clear, credible, and comprehensive psychology information? Visit allaboutspsychology.com, your go-to hub for resources, articles, and expert insights across every major area of psychology.